Alright, if you want to know how to start crocheting from a chain, it's very simple. You have to skip the first chain, the one that's right next to your hook. And chains are every part that looks like a V, like a little V, that's a chain. So skip this one next to the hook, and you start on the second V from the hook. So you go in, you pull your yarn over it, you pull. When you have 2 loops on your hook, you wrap the yarn over it, and there you have your first single crochet. But always start second from the hook. So you go in, yarn over it, pull, and when you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over again, and voila. That's how you start crocheting from a chain. When you get to the edge, and you'll always see a chain 1 turn. Let me show you what that means. Whoops. I'm gonna go to the edge real quick, to the end. Here's the very last one. Okay, now when it says chain 1 hook, basically all I want you to do is put your yarn over your hook, chain 1, and then turn, and we're going to continue on this side. And you're also not going to crochet on the chain you just did. You go on the second one from the hook, which will be basically the first real crochet. And then you go back. And then you do this whole line, and again chain 1 and then turn. And then that's how you do it.